That's right, we're finally getting around to see if we can get this rear spring back into place and fix the lift block on the other side. All right, we got as high as we can get it with the floor jack. Now, let's see. Get these tall jack stands somewhere where we can let the spring and axle hang. So, even with these tall jack stands, we still needed to add a bunch of cribbing. Boy, that hoist is going to be nice. And yes, it is en route. It's being shipped right now. I'm supposed to call the installer when it gets here. All right, let's see if we can get that spring stack back where it belongs. Oh, it is so close. I wonder if I can run my front winch rope back to my axle here and pull it forward just enough to clear that. Should we give it a try? Okay, let's see if this works. You want to winch in a little bit? A little more? A little more? A little more. It's moving. A little more. A hair more. Oh, we're so close. See if it'll go a little more. A little more. A little more. A little more. Okay, try it a little more. A little more. Okay, hold it there. Oh, we are so close. Give it another burp. Can you grab me a hammer? Thank you. Give the winch another burp. Again. 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 Oh, we are so close. Oh, I think maybe. Look at that. I think that'll be okay for a while.
Will that hold?
I think so. Well, we got that side done without taking the tires off. But this side, we're gonna have to take the spring apart, so we gotta take the tires off. Oh, hi there. You have that look. What's on your mind?
Well, it's beautiful weather.
Yeah, it was great today. It was like 70 degrees.
Yeah, and it's going to be this nice this weekend.
Yeah? And your point is?
My point is, can we go do something?
Well, I was planning on a road trip this weekend.
Antiquing!
Well, not exactly, but we are gonna go look at old stuff.
Antiquing!
Now the spacer and the inside dual. Hey,
Souvenirs.
red sand. I wonder where that comes from.
I don't know. Souvenirs.
Sure enough, we sheared the pin off. Actually, it's a 3/8 Allen headed bolt that I use in there. Yeah, the end's still in there. Let's see if we sheared the spring center bolt. Well, they're not coming apart. I don't think we sheared the spring center bolt. Well, it's another night after work, after my day job, working in the shop on the wrecker. We got to get this broken off bolt out of our custom made lip block. That's code for homemade. Oh boy, we got to see if we can drill that close to the center. Yeah, it's close to the center. Now, I know some of you guys are out there telling me that lift blocks are not a good way to lift a vehicle, and you're right, they're not. But it was an easy way to lift a vehicle. It was an easy way to lift my wrecker. If you remember, after having a little bit of trouble with the lift kit lift blocks, we made our own custom lift blocks, and they've been working out real good for us. We've had many years of good use from them since I built these lift blocks, and even a couple of trips out west. They've held up, so I think we'll just fix this one, not redesign the whole rear suspension just yet. All right, that might be good enough for a good bite with an extractor. I do have some extractors, but what I like to do is see if we have a torque spit that will bite in there. Well, the torque spit didn't work this time, so we pounded an extractor in there. We'll see if that works. Nope, that's not working too good neither. Looks like we're just gonna have to drill it out and retap it and hope for the best. Yeah, maybe that'll work. Well, I think we got it drilled in the center good enough. Okay. Remember, all this is just a locating pin. Touch and never sees.
Yeah, your touch never sees. It's all over.
All over. Look at that.
Tin Man.
There we go. All right, now we can slide it back in. Get rid of some of this dirt here. There we go. Now, our pin's here, our hole is there. This axle's got to come backwards a little ways. We need a ratchet strap for that.
Oh, too far. There we go.
I know, you're gonna tell me I shouldn't be reusing U-bolts, but you know what? It'll be okay for this application, trust me. Looks like this shock's a little bent up too. So's the mount. Yeah. Can't imagine how that happens. We will have to retighten those after the first recovery or two, maybe even a couple of times. So don't let me forget about that. Well, the back end's together like it was before the record games. Now we can put the tires on and get it on the ground. One more. That'll do. Okay, you can let it down. Well, I was going to fix this tonight too, but it's getting awful late. And I do have to go to work in the morning. So I think we're going to save that for another one. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.